Welcome to Mindful Trading. All right, and congratulations for joining us today. We're going to be learning how to navigate to TradingView, and that's going to be the platform that we're going to be using to learn to trade. We need step-by-step instructions, and it helps to know exactly what to do. So first we're going to go to Google. So open your laptops and go to your Google page, and then I'd like for you to type TradingView in the search bar. Once you do that, you should see something like this. And we're going to go ahead and click on TradingView. We're going to track all markets. We're going to click on that, and you'll see a page that looks like this one. All right. And once we click Get Started, we're going to go ahead and sign up. And you'll notice that this is completely free. It doesn't cost any money to sign up or to practice. And that's what we're going to be doing a lot of before we start to earn money. We've got to practice. We have to practice any skill before we get good at it. Any and everything, we've got to practice it first. Okay, so that's why it's going to take a while. A lot of people jump right in and they lose a lot of money because they don't know what they're doing. So we need to learn it first. Take slow, steady steps because we know that slow and steady wins the race. All right. So we're going to sign up. You can use an email and go ahead and create a password and then let them know that you are human and not a robot. And some of you may have some software on your computer that saves your passwords, but just in case, I think it's a good idea to always just use a piece of paper and pencil, right by your laptop, or so that you can keep up with your passwords. You might have a notebook or something like that. So I would go ahead and write that down just in case. All right. So after you sign up and you've created your password and put in your email address, next we're going to go to products. So right at the top of the page, you're going to see the word products. And I'd like for you to click on products and then go down to super charts. Okay, because what we're going to do is go ahead and open a chart. So after we click on super charts, we're going to find a specific chart. And the chart that we're going to look for is Euro USD. And so what you're going to do is click where this little magnifying glass is in the top left-hand corner. Click there. You can type in EUR USD. Okay, and what we're going to do is find the EUR USD that is right by forex Oanda. So that's the bar that you're going to click on, and then it'll pull this up. It'll pull up a screen that looks like this. And there are lots of ways that you can modify your screen to your liking. Like I like for my candles to be green and black. You might like yours to be red and green. But before we start making any changes to the chart, I just want you to kind of look to see what we have here. So up here in the top left-hand corner is where we found our chart. There's this little arrow here, and scroll down until you get to the 1 hour and then click on it. And you can also highlight this little star like that. And if you do, then you'll see that the times that have a little star beside it, that you'll find out whether you like those time frames or not later. Those are going to be the ones that are highlighted here. And these are all the ones that I use from time to time, but I just want you to click on the one that says 1 hour. Okay, and then we'll make sure that we have the 1 hour candles. That's what we're going to be focusing on. Okay, and you may see that, oh, my screen looks blank now. So what I'm going to do is go over here to where these numbers are, and I'm just going to double click. And that's going to bring everything back to where it belongs. If you're using a mouse, which I recommend, I really like using a mouse with my laptop. You may want to invest in one of those, or $5 or $10, or maybe use, if you have kids or cousins, they probably have extras that you can use. But I find that it's really easy to move the screen around when I'm using a mouse. These are all called candles. Okay, some of them are long, some are short. You might notice some patterns being formed. So I just want you to take a look. Every hour, since we're on the 1 hour time frame, every hour a new candle will start to form. All right, and this really is enough for now. I just want you to learn how to find TradingView. You might want to make sure that that's one of the tabs on your screen. We know that we have these candles here, and we know how to find, Euro USD, and that's what we're going to be using next time. We know that we want to use the 1 hour time frame. All right. So that's really all I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, you can always email me or DM me, and I'll see you for our next lesson.